Okay, very good morning and warm welcome, my dear students. Hope you all are keeping well. So, here in this chapter, as you can see, we are going to study about the India location and the political division as well as the physical features of India. Okay, this is one of the most interesting chapter of geography because here in this chapter you will be able to after the end of this chapter you will be able to locate India on the world map and identify its neighbor. Okay, you will be also able to describe the main political and the physical features of India and mark them on the map. Okay, you will be able to know about so many things about India: rivers, the mountains, the plains, the plateaus. Okay, that's people. Okay, so this is one of the most interesting topic. Hope you will enjoy it. Okay, so without any further delay, let's proceed with the introduction part. Okay, introduction part, it is very well known to everyone because you all know that India is a home to one of the oldest civilizations in the world. Okay, during the course of its long history, the different groups of people conquered and ruled the different parts of land. Many of them choose to make India their home. They brought with them their custom, adding to the already rich culture heritage of India. Okay, and you all know that as the empires rose and fall, the political boundaries of India kept changing. Okay, it was only when India get independence in 1947, 47, that the political boundary we are familiar with today came into existence. Okay, about this process, India physical features contributed greatly towards the shaping of its political boundaries. Okay, so how India's physical features greatly contributed in shaping the political boundaries we will discuss in detail. Okay, so how then we will be able to understand how how is the political boundary of India is demarcated. Okay, what are the important physical features. Okay, so this is all about the intro part. Okay, now without any further delay, let's see the location. Let's see through the map. Okay, first position of India on the globe. Okay, see here the position of India on the globe. You know that India lies in the southern, it is lies in the southern part of Asia. Okay, it is the seventh largest in terms of area and second largest in terms of population. Okay, seventh largest in terms of area and second largest country in terms of the population. Okay, now you see the location of India. Okay, north to south, north to south, north to south, the Indian mainland extends from the latitudes from here 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degrees 7 minutes north. Okay, covering a distance of, see, covering a distance of 3210 kilometer. Okay, this is your north to south extension. Okay, then we will see its longitudinal city here. You okay, 68 degree 7 minutes east to 98 degree east. Okay, 68 degree 7 minutes east to 98 degree east, covering a distance of 2933 kilometers. Okay, India, you all know that India entirely lies in your northern hemisphere. Okay, from the globe you can understand India entirely lies in your northern hemisphere. Okay, equator, this is northern hemisphere, this is southern hemisphere. So India entirely lies in your northern hemisphere. Okay, and if you see the map of India, you know India is surrounded by the ocean and the seas on its three sides. Okay, how you can see this is Indian Ocean, this is Indian Ocean, and here we have Arabian Sea, and here we have a Bay of Bengal. Okay, so on three sides we have a sea and the ocean. Okay, to the north, to the north of India, here India is separated from the rest of Asia by Himalayan mountain range. As we have done in the previous video, we have a great Himalayan range here, so that separate India from the Asia. Okay, the rest of Asia. Okay, so this is all about the boundaries or the coverings of the India. Okay, then if we will see the borders or the neighboring countries of India, then you all can see here in the map, it is clearly written here the countries which border India include, you see Pakistan in the west, Pakistan to the west, and Afghanistan. Okay, Afghanistan somewhere here, see Afghanistan to the northwest. Okay, Pakistan to the west, Afghanistan to the northwest. Then you see China, Nepal and Bhutan, the north and the northeast. Okay, China, Nepal and Bhutan to the north and the northeast. And you see here we have Bangladesh and Myanmar to the east. Okay, and you see to the south, okay, across the Park Strait we have Sri Lanka. Okay, so this is the border or countries which border the India. Okay, these all are the countries which border the India, or we can simply say India's neighboring country. Okay, this is very easy. In the western part we have Pakistan, Afghanistan. In the northern side we have China, Nepal, and if you see the northeastern side we have Bhutan and Myanmar. Then we have Bangladesh, and if you see in the southern side we have Sri Lanka. Okay, so this is the borders or the neighboring country of India. Okay, now let's see. Okay, and you all know that we have two island groups that are the part of India. Okay, one is Lakshadweep and another one is Andaman and the Nicobar Island. Okay, why Andaman and Nicobar Island? You see, I'm showing because while Kanyakumari, okay, is the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland. If you see the Indian mainland map here we have Kanyakumari. Okay, this is the southernmost tip of the Indian mainland. See the coastline of the India. Okay, if we will see the whole coverings of the India, then we have India's territory extends up to Indira Point. Okay, Indira Point, it is at the tip of the Nicobar Island. Okay, so this Indira Point you need to remember. Okay, if we will see only the mainland part, then we have a southernmost tip is Kanyakumari, but if we will include all the coastline, all the island group of India, then we have a southernmost tip, that is Indira Point, which is the tip of the Nicobar Island. Okay, so these all are the Andaman and the Nicobar Island group. Then we have a Lakshadweep here. See, this is the Lakshadweep which lies in your Arabian Sea, which lies in the Arabian Sea. These all are the island, one of the island group of the India, that is Lakshadweep Island Group. Okay, now let us understand about the central meridian and the Indian Standard Time. Okay, you all know that there are the 30 degree longitude between the eastern and the western end of the country. This means difference of 2 hours. There is a difference of 2 hours in time between these two ends. Okay, the sun rises and sets 2 hours earlier here in your Arunachal Pradesh than over the coast of your Gujarat. Okay, for the sake of uniformity, the local time along your 82 degree half minutes east longitude, which is the central meridian of country, is taken as the Indian Standard Time. Okay, IST. It is 5.5 hours ahead of our Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, so for the sake of the uniformity, because we have a 30 degree longitude between our eastern and the western ends of the country. Okay, so to maintain the uniformity, we have a Indian Standard Time. This is which is in the year 82.5 degree east longitude. Okay, so that we can cover the difference of 2 hours in our two ends of the country. Okay, which is ahead of your 5.5 hours ahead of our Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, now we will see the political division. Okay, now let's see the political division of India. Okay, after the recent changes and amendments in the boundary of our country, okay, Democratic Republic of India is made up of 28 states and the 8 union territories. Okay, we have 2 union territories here, Jammu and the Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir and the Ladakh. Okay, and we have altogether 28 states and 8 union territories. Okay, the states are ruled by the state governments. These particular states are ruled by the state governments, while the UTs are ruled directly by the central government. Okay, and you must know this fact. In terms of the area, Rajasthan as the largest state of India, while Goa is the smallest in terms of area, state in terms of area. Okay, so here in the map you can see, okay, the names of the states and the union territories along with their capitals has been shown here. Okay, you all can go through the map properly for your better understanding. Okay, for example, we have Madhya Pradesh with the capital Bhopal, Uttar Pradesh with the capital Lucknow. So in this way we have all the states along with its capital in the map. So please go through the map very properly. Okay, so this is all about the political division of India. Okay, so in our next video I will discuss about the physical features of India in great detail. Okay, so take care till then. Thank you so much and bye bye.